You think you're saving enough for retirement, but are you really? The average American has only $65,000 set aside for their golden years, leaving them just 1 to 2 years of living expenses covered. This is a startling reality that many people face, especially when they're not sure how much they need to live comfortably in retirement. Most people think they need around 70 of their pre-retirement income to maintain their lifestyle, but the reality is it's often closer to 90 or more. This might sound like a small difference, but it can make a huge impact on your retirement savings. For example, let's say you're earning $50,000 per year and you think you'll need 70 of that amount in retirement. That would be $35,000 per year. However, if you actually need 90 of your pre-retirement income, that would be $45,000 per year. This means you'll need to save an additional $10,000 per year to maintain your lifestyle in retirement. A 10-year retirement savings plan requires a significant investment, but the good news is that even small, consistent contributions can add up to millions of dollars over time. This is because compound interest works in your favor, earning interest on both your principal amount and any accrued interest. To put this into perspective, let's assume a 4 annual return on investment, ROI. You would need to save approximately $25,000 per year for 10 years to reach a retirement nest egg of $1 million. This might seem like a lot, but it's actually a manageable amount if you're consistent and start saving early. One of the biggest mistakes people make when it comes to retirement savings is not starting early enough. Many people put off saving for retirement until their 30s or 40s, thinking they have plenty of time to catch up. However, the power of compound interest means that even small contributions made early on can add up to significant amounts over time. For example, if you start saving $5,000 per year at age 25 and continue to do so until you're 65, you'll have saved around $350,000. However, if you start saving $5,000 per year at age 35, you'll only have around $150,000 saved by the time you're 65. So, how can you ensure you're saving enough for retirement? The first step is to determine how much you need to live comfortably in retirement. This will depend on your individual circumstances, including your lifestyle, expenses, and income. Once you have a clear idea of how much you need, you can start making a plan to save for it. This might involve setting up a retirement account, such as a 401k or IRA, and contributing to it regularly. You can also consider consulting with a financial advisor to get personalized advice on how to save for retirement. In addition to saving regularly, it's also important to take advantage of any employer matching contributions to your retirement account. These can add up to significant amounts over time and can help you reach your retirement savings goals more quickly. For example, if your employer matches 50 of your contributions up to 6 of your salary, and you contribute 6 of your salary to your retirement account, you'll effectively be saving 12 of your salary. This can make a huge difference in your retirement savings over time. Another key factor to consider when it comes to retirement savings is inflation. Inflation can erode the purchasing power of your retirement savings over time, making it more difficult to live comfortably in retirement. To mitigate this risk, you can consider investing in assets that historically perform well in inflationary environments, such as real estate or precious metals. You can also consider inflation-proofing your retirement savings by investing in index funds or other low-cost investments that track the inflation rate. In conclusion, saving for retirement requires careful planning and consistent action. By starting early, investing regularly, and taking advantage of employer matching contributions, you can build a significant nest egg over time. However, it's also essential to consider the impact of inflation and to take steps to mitigate its effects on your retirement savings. By doing so, you can ensure a comfortable retirement and live the lifestyle you deserve. Let's do a quick recalculation of how much you need to save each month to reach your retirement goals. Assuming a 10-year retirement savings plan and a 4 annual return on investment, ROI, we can use a retirement savings calculator to determine how much you need to save each month. This will give you a clear picture of what you need to do to achieve your retirement goals. So, how much do you really need to invest every year to retire in 10 years? Let's break it down into a simple equation that will give you a clear picture of what you need to do to achieve your retirement goals. The reality is Many people underestimate the amount they need to save, and it's not because they're not trying, but because they're not sure where to start. Calculating your desired retirement income is a crucial step in determining how much you need to save each year. It's not just about covering your basic expenses, but also about maintaining your lifestyle in retirement. Consider how much you'll need to spend on things like travel, hobbies, and entertainment. A safe bet is to aim for 4 to 5 annual returns on your investments, which will give you a cushion against market fluctuations. Assuming a 4 annual return on investment and 10 years of savings, you'll need to save around 15 to 20 of your income each year to reach your goal. This might sound like a lot, but think about it this way. If you earn $100,000 per year, saving 15 to 20 would mean setting aside $15,000 to $20,000 annually. It's still a significant amount, but it's manageable if you plan ahead. Let's look at an example to make this more concrete. If you want to retire with $1.5 million, you would need to save around $37,500 per year, considering a 4 ROI and 10 years of savings. This is a significant amount, but it's also a realistic goal if you start saving early and consistently. The key is to make saving a habit rather than a one-time event. One of the biggest mistakes people make when planning for retirement is not accounting for inflation. As prices rise, the purchasing power of your money decreases, which means you'll need more to maintain your standard of living. To account for inflation, you might want to aim for a higher annual return on investment, such as 5 to 6. This will give you a buffer against inflation and ensure that your retirement savings keep pace with rising costs. Another important factor to consider is taxes. While it might seem like a minor detail, taxes can significantly impact your retirement savings. Consider how much you'll need to set aside for taxes on your investments and factor that into your overall savings plan. The good news is that you're not alone in this process. Many people have successfully planned for retirement and achieved their goals. The key is to start early, be consistent, and make saving a priority. By following these simple steps and staying focused on your goals, you can create a secure retirement plan that will give you the freedom to live the life you want. To put this into perspective, let's say you're 30 years old and you want to retire in 10 years. If you start saving $37,500 per year, you'll have a total of $375,000 in 10 years, assuming a 4 ROI. This might not be enough to retire comfortably, but it's a good starting point. From there, you can adjust your savings plan to suit your needs and goals. The takeaway here is that saving for retirement is a process that requires patience, discipline, and a clear plan. By breaking it down into manageable steps and staying focused on your goals, you can create a secure retirement plan that will give you the freedom to live the life you want. Remember, the key is to start early, be consistent, and make saving a priority. With the right plan and mindset, you can achieve your retirement goals and enjoy the financial freedom you deserve. Here's the detailed 366-word section for the educational script. Now that we've crunched the numbers, let's talk about how to make it happen. You got a 10-year retirement plan, and you're eager to start building a nest egg that will sustain you for years to come. The good news is that with a solid strategy and some discipline, you can achieve your goals. First, start by automating your retirement savings through payroll deductions or set transfers. This way, you'll ensure that you're consistently setting aside a portion of your income each month without having to think about it too much. It's a simple but effective way to build a safety net that will serve you well in the long run. Next, invest wisely by diversifying your portfolio with low-cost index funds or ETFs. These types of investments offer broad exposure to the market, reducing your risk and increasing your potential returns. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, you'll be better equipped to weather any market downturns and ride the waves of volatility. Now, here's a crucial consideration: tax-advantaged accounts. Consider contributing to a 401k or IRA, which can help you save thousands of dollars in taxes over the life of your investment. These accounts are designed to help you grow your wealth more efficiently, and they're a game changer for anyone serious about retirement planning. So what's the take-home message here? It's simple. Start planning your 10-year retirement savings plan today. Don't wait until it's too late, and don't assume that someone else will take care of it for you. You're in control of your financial future, and it's up to you to make the right moves. Remember, every dollar you save now is a dollar that will add up to a bigger nest egg in the long run. By following these simple steps and staying committed to your goals, you'll be well on your way to securing your financial future. And who knows, you might just find that retirement isn't as daunting as you thought it would be.